Hey guys, welcome to RC Video Reviews. Under normal conditions, I wouldn't bother putting this video out there because the camera footage is not great, and it turns out my FPV camera died as well. But because of what happened on the maiden flight, which you're about to see momentarily, I did want to get back out to the field, make some corrections on the center of gravity, and fly the plane just to make sure it worked. Yeah, there's the crash. The type of flying I did today was about testing the stabilizer, return to home, and manual mode. And due to the initial crash, I just wanted to make sure I had some altitude. And of course, when you're testing return to home, the plane flies up to about 120 feet anyway. None of the video footage is particularly good. Hopefully the commentary will be interesting and you can get an understanding of what I was getting accomplished with this plane through the commentary. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
All right guys, I'm back at the field with the ZOHD Drift and I'm going to try and fly it again. I've moved the center of gravity forward quite a bit. I've got it placed right on the servo wires. Since I've been at the field, I found out my FPV camera is not working, or at least I can't find the channel. So I think the lens is dead. I'll have to work on that later. Fortunately, I have the setup from the Drift because I'm using a CCD arrangement on that one. Anyway, I'm going to plug it in and see if I can fly this plane in manual mode with that CG pulled forward. Return to launch mode. Power's full up. There's really not much of a breeze, but I'm going to fly it this way to start. Yeah, under stabilized mode, this plane flies great. All right, I'm putting it in manual mode. And there we go. Manual mode, it flies. Beautiful. It was CG. Their book CG is way too far back. There we go. So under manual mode, the plane is now flying perfectly. Yeah, the last time I did this plane dove for the ground instantly. As soon as I went off stabilized mode, the plane dove for the ground. And this is manual modes. I knew this plane would fly okay. Perfect. Yeah, it's flying fine now. No control issues here. Yeah, I feel a lot better about that. Okay, good. Well, since I don't have FPV, I'm going to try a couple loops under stabilized mode and then a couple return to home attempts, and after that I'm going to pack this one up and get that camera sorted out. I'm glad to see this working on manual mode though. That makes me happy. Alright, there's stabilized mode. So I'm just going to bring the power down to about 50% and see how it does holding altitude. Yeah, just like the Dart, man, that's rock solid. I've got good control authority making the turns. Very good. All right, let's try return to home mode. It climbed a little bit, it's making the turn. I know that's going to be out of frame, but it's return to launch mode. I got to let the plane fly. It's definitely climbing up to that 35-meter altitude. There it is. It's hands off.
Stabilization on. Return to launch.
Okay, there it is. That's in return to home mode. And it's working just fine. Oh, that sun is bright. Okay, we go back to stabilized mode and land the plane.
Stabilization on.
Perfect. All right, I'm glad that worked out. Well, I'm going to show you my CG markings so you know where to set yours in order to get it to fly right on manual mode. And I'm happy with it now. I think it flew fine. The only thing left to do at this point is get the FPV system back in working order. Okay, for that flight, my balance point was right there on those servo wires, just right on top of the servo wires. I'm glad we worked out the CG issues on the ZOHD Drift. It does fly well in manual mode when you have that CG right on the servo wires. All that's left to do is fix the FPV system so I can get some FPV footage for you. I hope you like the series on the ZOHD Drift from the first look through today. If you'd like to score one for yourself, I've got an affiliate link in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when new material hits the channel. That's all I've got for today. Take it easy.